For the tracks and numbered lanes, for the lines I tried to name, it won't say Savon. Yeah, I say this land remembers, even when the town don't say. Fireways through Clinton, passing slow, it won't say. The prairie knows. La vida sigue, we still roll. Books on mud, hearts held hope. Side by side, different truth. One road carrying all of us through. Been holding on, yeah, we still here. Ain't going nowhere year to year. Thank the Lord anyhow. Made it through them, making it now. Face strong, back straight, eyes ahead. We done built life where they said we wouldn't tread. Came in light, left roots deep. Learned what the land would give and keep. Didn't talk big, didn't scare easy. Just worked the days till the nights got breezy. Still here when the dust moved on. Built a town the hard way, then stayed alone. Fireways through Clinton, passing slow as if on. The story grows, familia primero, steady soul. Junto day, we call it home. Different path, same truth. One long line carrying all of us through. La vida sigue, paso a paso, aquí seguimos, nunca fracaso. Familia primero, siempre fuerte, manos cansadas, corazón valiente. Dos idiomas, un mismo sueño. Este pueblo también es nuestro. So mud, lòng vươn bên chúng tôi ở đây qua bao lane day. Nhà nhỏ đến sáng ngồi đây làm ăn chớp sống yên êm. Gốc xa xôi dễ bám sâu, một cuộc đời mới bắt đầu. No single story owns this place, it's stitched together mile by mile in pace. You miss it if you rush it through, but it stays if you let it move you. Fireways through Clinton, all aligned, have all safe. Land and time, la vida sigue, rolling on. Thank the Lord, we still go strong. Works on mud, old roots too. One town, many lives passing through. setting my sights on something far beyond the lights, beyond the cars, where yellow lines and rolling hills remind me life keeps moving still. I pack my bags, I turn the key, left behind what used to be. The engine hummed a hopeful tune and whispered, there's a road for you. Beyond the painted sky I go, where the winds may change, but I still roll. No fear of where the highway bends, just faith that something good begins. I chase the sun, I chase the why, I chase the truth beyond the sky. I've seen the towns that time forgot, I've heard the rain on old blacktop. Each mile has taught me how to bend like rivers do around the bends. And though the road gets rough sometimes, I find my peace between the lines. It's not the end I'm looking for, it's every open road and more. Beyond the painted sky I go, where the winds may change, but I still roll. No fear of where the highway bends, just faith that something good begins. I chase the sun, I chase the why, I chase the truth beyond the sky. Home, but I was born with wheels below and a soul that needs to go. Beyond the painted sky I ride, with the past behind and time as my guide. No end in sight, no need to know, just trust the wind and let it blow. I chase the sun, I chase the why, I chase the truth beyond the sky.
I walk through shadows, painted in light. Every color bends to the shape of my mind. Glass turns to rivers, stone into sky. Nothing is solid when I close my eyes. My perception
Saw your picture in a diner glass, edges torn and colors gone. Like every town I passed on by, that faith before I moved along. The train was wailing through the hills like it knew the hurt I hide. 100 towns behind me now, still can't leave you behind. 'Cause I'm miles away and I can't go back. My boots are worn, my heart's off track. The sky turns red, the nights grow cold. I miss your hand, I miss your hold. But I'm long gone, yeah, I'm miles away. Passed across on a rusted post where the highway cracked and bled. A bar with shutters hanging loose in a town that up and fled. White lines hum beneath my feet like they're singing me a hymn. But there ain't no peace in moving on when I can't remember when. I'm miles away with a lonesome sound. The whistle cries when the sun goes down. I carry your face in a photo fold. Your name's the fire when the wind gets cold. Still I'm out here, yeah, I'm miles away. The rain comes soft through prairie light like a hymn on chapel stone. I lit a smoke near a BP sign, felt more empty than alone. I'd turn around if I could stand the look I know you'd give. But the road don't care for reckoning, it just tells you how to live. Now I'm miles away and I can't unwind the thread I pulled when I left you behind. My coat is thin, my faith is frayed, and I still whisper your name each day. But you're back there, and I'm miles away.
Gaslight hums in the early dawn. Coffee's strong, then you're gone. No postcards nailed to the wall, just a wrench and a phone call. We fix what bends, we fill what's dry. Watch the headlights roll on by. Never painted it bright for fame, never dressed up an ordinary name. Route 66 ran straight and true, did what roads are meant to do. Some towns shout, some towns stay still. This one always paid the bill. We didn't ask you to remember, didn't slow you down to stay. If you needed us, we were open. If not, you were on your way. Some towns wave at every traveler, some just keep the lights on through. You were always just passing through Elk City, and we were fine with that truth. "1931 came loud and fast, more voices than the town could cast. Banners up the streets ran full, hope stretched thin but beautiful. For one long breath the world looked in. then packed up and moved again. Morning came, the noise fell flat, paper signs in a folded stack. Brooms swept what history dropped, coffee brewed, the clocks reset. Same old work, same steady hands, still standing where the highway ran. The road kept moving, always will. We kept quiet, paid our bills, didn't chase what couldn't stay, didn't beg the miles to play. If you remember us, that's fine. If not, we're doing just fine. We didn't ask you to remember, didn't need our name in lights. We were open when you needed, we were closed most nights. Some towns fade when traffic's gone, some never change what they do. You were always just passing through Elk City, and we stayed true.